Elise Hoson at McCoy De Leon hiwalay na after 5 years. What we had was real. Tara at pag-usapan natin yan. Pero bago ang lahat, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating channel ay huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe para lagi kang updated sa latest chika. Kinumpirma ni Elise Hoson na hiwalay na sila ng tatay ng anak niyang si Feliz na si McCoy De Leon at mutual decision daw ito. Alas 2 ng madaling araw kanina, July 25, nang i-bandera ni Elise ang open letter sa kanyang Instagram account. Kalakip niya ng video na tumutugtog ng gitara si McCoy sa awiting, You Are My Sunshine, bilang background music kasama ang mga masasayang araw nila kasama ang anak na si Feliz. Matagal nang haka-haka na hindi na nagkakasundo ang Maclis pero walang nagsasalita sa dalawa, pero ang sitsit ng aming source dati ay hirap na si Elise na ipaglaban si McCoy sa pamilya niya, dahil hindi raw pabor at isa ito sa dahilan kung bakit lagi silang nagkakaroon ng hindi pagkakaunawaan ng aktor. May nagchika rin sa amin na nakiusap dati si McCoy na huwag muna siyang patayin sa FPJ's Batang Quiapo, dahil kailangan niya ng trabaho na sumakto naman dahil nagustuhan siya ni Coco Martin bilang direktor, producer dahil hindi pasaway sa set at magaling makisama. Sa open letter ni Elise ay inamin niyang sinubukan nila ni McCoy na ayusin ang kanilang hindi pinagkakasundoan pero hindi nagtagumpay kaya tinuldukan na nila ang mahigit 5 taon nilang pagsasama. Narito ang buong post ni Elise. My biggest dream in life has always been to build a family I could call mine. A home. That dream shaped US. It grounded US. And for all the beautiful 5 years, and more, that we were together, we held on to that dream with everything we had. We made that promise, to love, to fight, to stay. And truthfully, we both tried. We both held on for as long as we could. But now, we're learning to let go. Together, we're releasing that dream, so we can finally allow a new kind of peace, growth, and healing to enter. And letting go doesn't mean we failed. Because what we had was real. And it gave us the greatest gift, our Feliz. There are moments when she wraps her arms around us and says, My family belongs to me. And she will always be right. No matter how life changes, we will always belong to her. Her mommy, her daddy, her family, that will never ever change. We're sharing this to honor what was, to give space for healing, for both of us and for the lives we're choosing from here on. No need for speculations, no assumptions. This wasn't easy for either of us. We simply asked for kindness and respect as this story, and how it's remembered, may one day shape what our daughter believes about love, family, and letting go. Thank you for holding space for our story. This is us, stepping into a new chapter with love, respect, and no regrets. McCoy at Elise. Trending kaagad ang post na ito ni Elise na sa loob lang ng isang oras ay halos 20,000 na ang engagements at kulang 800 ang komentong nabasa namin. Narito naman ang ilang nabasa namin mula sa netizens. You're both selfish. Sana si Feliz yung inisip nyo muna. Please wag nyo ay left out si Feliz kapag di talaga kayo nagkabalikan. Napakahirap magkaroon ng broken family, praying for your healing. Time to dream new dreams for you and your family, emojis for hearts. Hugs at McCoy De Leon at Elise Hoson at Feliz. Always, always, to what will make you a better parent and person. Thank you for trying. Peace and healing. May nagpayong netizen naman sa aktres na sana hindi na lang nito broadcast ang hiwalayan nila ni McCoy dahil baka isang araw mababalitang nagkabalikan na ulit sila. My dear Elise, could you please stop sharing your breakup here in IG? This is the second time around though, and then months later we will see you guys getting back. All I want to say is you don't need approval or to prove people. Stay low-key and silence for the healing you want to achieve. Nasambit din na nagkaroon ng mental issue si McCoy. McCoy was mentally unstable yata before. One of his interviews he stated that he almost quit life. I mean, normally like all of us underwent depression stages, but this constant breakup news may be a trigger again, we don't know. Isa sa pinakamatapang na desisyon ay ang I let go ang taong kasama mong bumuo ng pamilya, kasama sa mga pangarap mo at una mong pinag-alayan ng pagkatao mo. But bago pa man kaming mga babae mag-let go, ilang beses din naming try na, lalo na sa kagaya naming may mga anak. Iba pa rin kasi kapag napalaya mo ang sarili mo sa mga bagay na hindi na umaayon sa kung ano ang dapat at tama, kaya kudos to you at Elisehosan, sobrang tatag mo. Sobrang nakalulungkot ang balitang ito dahil sobrang mahal ng Maclis ang isa't isa, pero siguro kailangan muna nilang huminga at sana pagdating ng tamang panahon, sila pa rin sa dulo. At dyan na po nagtatapos guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.